First, we need to look at what is really at stake. To give us an idea of the challenge ahead, we can use the Kaya equation, which calculates the total emission level of CO2. According to this equation, the total of CO2 emission is the product of 4 factors. 1, the carbon content of energy. 2, the energy intensity of economic activity. 3, the wealth per person. And 4, the human population. This shows that if we want to achieve the 2-degree objective stated in the Paris Agreement, we need to reduce CO2 emissions by 66% by 2050. This means minus 85% of carbon content and energy intensity combined. This also means that renewable energies, especially solar, wind, will grow like no other energies have ever grown. At the same time, fossil fuels, starting with coal, will see a strong decline in the energy mix. LNG and low-carbon LNG will become critical in the years to come as key transition fuels. The implementation of carbon capture solutions will also become a new norm. Hydrogen, in all its forms and colors, will take central stage in satisfying electricity demand. Very large quantities of blue and green hydrogen or ammonia will be needed. The proximity between those blue products and some of the LNG producers will be key. Of course, a drastic improvement in energy efficiency is also required. And it's not only about reducing emissions, it's also about balancing the economy and lifestyle to make net zero a reality. Optimizing the use of resources in areas such as land use, acidification, and water depletion, for example, is essential to protect biodiversity. The magnitude and the complexity of the challenge ahead of us is gigantic, and there is today a clear global consensus that all those key dimensions must be implemented together. So it's gigantic, but it's also exciting. It's our responsibility to make a better tomorrow. And as Technip Energies has a very agnostic approach to the energy mix, we believe we have a critical role to play in this journey.